Alright, we're on a Hussmann case here, and it's got a broken drain fitting. I've come up with a way to fix it, and I'm going to try to show you how. So, first, you have to go to the top side and drill out the hub. I'll show you that in a second. Alright, you get an 1 7/8 size hole saw, and you will completely drill out the hole all the way through. Now that we've already drilled the hole out, I'll show you how to finish the repair. Okay, back when I was at Walmart, I had these custom fittings made, and they make a lot better repair than what the PVC fitting that the book shows you to use. So I'm going to show you how to install it. Live again. Alright, take this fitting that I had fabricated, go from the top side, and you'll screw it in. Let me get it screwed in and I'll get back to you. Alright, now we've got the fitting screwed into the T. You can usually make this repair without even having to mess with the drain line. So now with the fitting screwed in, it will fit back up into the case, and it should make a smooth fit. Alright, now the fitting is up inside the case. I'm going to show you how to make the repair from the top side. Depending on the year model of the case, some cases don't have any screws, holes. You'll notice in this situation we've got 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Some cases don't have any at all, some have 1, some may have 2. This situation has 4. The fitting was tried to be designed where you can put this down inside. It screws into the bottom piece, and once it's screwed into place, these 4 holes should align with these, and you can put the screws right back in and make the final repair. I will put some silicone around here to make your seal, because that's going to be the sealing point. Tighten it down, and your repair will be complete. I'll show you the final when we get done. Here we are putting the fitting in. Just turn it down until it gets tight. Trying to align the 4 screws. After everything's said and done, this is the finished product with the new drain hub installed. One last thing I like to do, just for precautionary, you'll be able to see that the metal at the top up here, I usually will wrap a little bit of cork tape around it just so it won't sweat.